Marnella with Marnella Homes, and one of the other cool features that we have introduced into this community is we are plumbing and prepping for water treatment, whole house water treatment and leak detection. And Aaron has graciously donated some time to come talk to us about it and explain what these systems are and how they benefit our homeowners. Aaron?
Yeah, thank you, Tony. I appreciate it. And I appreciate the opportunity. Your homes are world-class, and we know that you're very conscious about the smart technology that you use. And I think that the EcoWater systems and the thin system we're going to introduce here really do well in supporting that process and supporting your home technology. So what we have here is we have an EcoWater softening system. It's a smart American-made, highest NSF rated system you can buy. It's a high flow system. It's got commercial grade filtration. Also it has catalytic carbon inside this system to remove the chlorine and the harsh minerals that build up inside our homes. And so this is a softening system that we can put in the houses. What we have down here is a thin leak detection system. Both of these use AI technology to anticipate your home's water usage and protect your home. This is a smart sensor that will shut water off if you have a catastrophic leak or even just a tiny drip in your kitchen sink, for example. This comes with smart sensor pucks, and those pucks can be placed around the house. If water is sensed by one of those pucks, it'll send a notification to you and it'll shut your water off for you. Here we have the salt system based upon that the softening system uses to clean the resin beads. This is set up for both sodium or potassium chloride. Some customers choose to use potassium in their salt systems. It works just like salt. It's a little bit more environmentally friendly. Some municipalities require people to use potassium instead of sodium. It's a little greener. And so you can use either or in this system. Great. So potassium is a little bit harder to find, but we have it available if our customers choose to ask for it. So some of the benefits of having an EcoWater system in your home is it's going to protect your appliances, your fixtures, your pipes, tankless water heater from the hard mineral buildup. Also, it's great for your health, for your skin. Showering in softened water is one of the healthiest things you can do for your body. We know that the skin is the largest organ of your body, and those hard minerals that build up in your skin tend to dry out the skin, create eczema issues. And so this often cures a lot of that skin issues for people. So it's also great to get the chlorine out. We know chlorine is a carcinogen in our water. They have to put it in to kill the bacteria, but we can get it out before you have to shower in it.
Awesome. And you were mentioning that the system will actually communicate to the homeowner through an intuitive app.
That's correct.
When it actually needs to be maintained.
That's correct. Both of these have a separate app. They do speak to each other though. The thin system and the EcoWater system. This will communicate to you how much water usage you have or using, the salt levels. So as you get low on salt, you don't have to constantly come and check that system. You can determine what your salt levels are from your app.
Right.
And also your water usage, water pressure, any pressure drops from the thin system. So very intuitive, uses artificial intelligence in both of these systems to be the most efficient that they can be, and saving you the most money on energy and maintenance costs for your home.
Great. And you were saying with the AI technology, it actually learns your water usage.
Absolutely. This system will learn your water usage. It'll adapt. So if you're a family of 2 or a family of 6, this will actually learn what that water usage is, and it'll adapt to your water usage. So it makes it the most salt efficient system on the market. Again, EcoWater celebrating their 100th anniversary this year, so we are proud to represent them. They're American made, manufactured in Mississippi. They've been based in Minnesota. EcoWater is a Berkshire Hathaway company, and as Warren Buffett said, someday water is going to be more valuable than oil. We support that process with providing clean water.
Impressive. Well, thank you, Aaron. I appreciate you taking the time to explain to everyone the benefits of these systems.
It's great.
All right. Thank you.